Hello everyone, Tony here. Have you ever walked out of CVS, looked at your receipt, and wondered why you didn't get that $2, $4, or even larger discount you were expecting? After my last purchase, looking at this massive roll of coupons, I thought to myself, can I just scan and upload these paper coupons to the CVS app so I don't lose them for the next time? So I went to Google and searched exactly that. In short, the answer is a flat out no. Like a lot of people, I was under the assumption that all my savings, rewards, and deals automatically activated on my card whenever I typed in my phone number at the register. But I was completely wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I learned and how you could actually force the CVS app to activate those hidden deals and rewards so you stop leaving money at the checkout counter. Okay, I'm going to cast my phone screen right here. For now, open up your CVS app and get logged in. Look at that row of icons running along the very bottom of your screen. On the far right, you'll see an icon named Shop. Click that. On the next screen, look at the bottom row again. Right next to the home icon, you will see a savings icon. If it isn't already highlighted, go ahead and highlight it. While you are on the savings page, you can view your rewards. Tap the view button, scroll through what you already have. You will see a green check mark. That means it's already on your card. If you see the plus sign right here, that means you can add it to your card. Once you sent them to your card, hit the back arrow up at the top. Back on the main savings page, you'll see your coupons broken down by categories. You'll see here all, on card, or for you. You could also sort and filter. You could sort by CVS recommended, expiring first, newest first, highest value first. You could filter by categories. It has the categories listed here. Over on the right side, it shows you how many items are in those categories. And see what specific deals are out here. You could shop this deal. You could send it to card. Like say if you were going for this pain relief rubs, hit the plus button. Okay, now that's on the card. So when you go to the counter, that will already be in there for you. Takes less than 2 minutes before you shop to turn these toggles on, but ensures you actually get the discounts you earned instead of letting them expire on a mile-long piece of paper. If you found this walkthrough helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about navigating the app or getting your rewards to stick, drop a comment below and I'll jump in to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.